In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom in and out in Whimsical, ensuring your visual workspace is just the way you need it to be. Whether you're collaborating on a project or simply organizing your thoughts, having control over your perspective is crucial. Let's dive right in and explore how you can seamlessly adjust the zoom settings in Whimsical. First, you'll need to head to the Whimsical website. To do this, open your preferred web browser and navigate to whimsical.com. Once there, look for the login option. If you haven't already logged in or don't have an account, you'll be prompted to do so. For those who prefer using Google, simply click on Log in with Google. This is a convenient option that allows you to use your existing Google credentials without the hassle of remembering another password. Once you've logged in, the next step is to select your account. If you have multiple Google accounts, ensure you choose the one associated with your Whimsical workspace. With successful login, you'll arrive at your dashboard. From here, it's time to navigate to the board you've been working on or wish to adjust. Click on the board that you want to open. This is where the magic happens as you start to interact with your visuals more intimately by adjusting the zoom settings. To zoom in, direct your attention to the bottom right corner of your interface. Look for a plus sign, which is typically an intuitive representation of expanding or zooming in. A click on this button will bring you closer to your content, allowing greater focus on specific details, whether it's a particular diagram, text, or image you're analyzing. On the other hand, if you need to get an overview of your entire board or step back to see the bigger picture, you'll need to zoom out. Conveniently, next to the plus sign is a minus sign, which serves just that purpose. Clicking it will pull your view out, providing a broader perspective and helping you catch any elements that may have been overlooked when zoomed in. For those who prefer using shortcuts, Whimsical offers some convenient options. If you're on a Mac, holding down the Command key and scrolling with your mouse will change the zoom, while on Windows you'll use the Control key instead. Alternatively, keyboard shortcuts are available. By pressing Ctrl and the plus key, you'll zoom in, while Ctrl and the minus key zoom you out. To quickly fit everything on the screen, press the 1 key or press 2 to focus on selected objects. By mastering these straightforward controls, you can tailor your visual experience in Whimsical to fit your needs seamlessly, enhancing your productivity and ensuring that every detail is at your fingertips when you need it most.